Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. On today's video is going to be like a tour. I will be showing you vegetables found in my backyard garden. So it's going to be like a garden tour where I will show you all the vegetables found in my garden. Now some of these vegetables I have discussed about them in my previous video. I'll be dropping the link in the description section. You should also go and watch those videos. I talked about these vegetables in my previous video, so I will be showing you these vegetables in my backyard garden. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button. Yes, you hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Also turn on the notification bell to be the first to get notified whenever I post a new video. So let's just get straight into the video. I will show you all the vegetables found in my backyard garden. So let's get there. All right friends, so that's some of the vegetables. Now this one is the greens. You call this amarachus. You see how fresh they are looking. This is amarachus. It's one of the greens, one of the vegetable that is dominant in my backyard garden. Another vegetable right here is pepper. This is pepper. As you can see, the pepper is fruiting already. There are fruits on the pepper. This is pepper. Then we have lots of corn right here. These are corn. We have corns. We have corn right in my garden here. Another vegetable you will find in my garden is this particular vegetable here. This one that has a pink mark on it. This vegetable, this is called shoko. See how it is. It has a purple color at the middle of. I love the color on the leaves of the vegetable. This another one. There's another one over there. So this is also a vegetable. I have discussed these vegetables in my previous videos. This is it also. This one is very small. It's coming up. Then another vegetable you will also find in my garden is this. This is spinach. Yeah, it somehow has the same leaf with the other vegetable, the shoko, but it's different. This is spinach. It's a crippling plant, and there is an orange tree here. This is an orange tree, and the reason we planted it close to the orange tree because it's a crippling plant. Then it will be directed straight to the orange tree and it will climb. It's a crippling plant. The next vegetable I have here also is the pumpkin. This is pumpkin. It's a crippling plant too, and it's also planted beside the, as you can see, it's a crippling plant. It's planted close to the orange tree, so it will be directed to the orange tree instead of maybe stressing yourself staking it separately. You just direct it there and it will climb there. So this pumpkin, not fluted pumpkin. Fluted pumpkin is ugu, but this is pumpkin. So another vegetable found in my garden is water leaf. Yes, water leaf. We also have it here. We have water leaf, enough water leaf. Then we have this. This is ewedu leaf. This is ewedu leaf. We have some turmeric here. This is turmeric. This is turmeric. This is bitter leaf also. Bitter leaf. Although I have cut this bitter leaf, I've used it in cooking. This bitter leaf. And over here we have okra. This is okra. This is okra. We have a lot of okra. I have a lot of okra right here. This is okra vegetable. This dwarf okra species. You know, distant time it will start flowering. Yeah. So these are some of the vegetables I have right in my garden. These are the vegetables found in my garden. So friends, this is just it. These are vegetables found in my garden. So thank you for watching, and also subscribe for more videos. Bye.